it takes a licking and it keeps on ticking. And it truly does. You know how many times I've thrown this thing? This thing is about 25 years old. Never skips a beat. Takes a licking. Keeps on ticking. Just like me. All right. Check it out. Let's see what it looks like. You can see the smokiness out here. It's a little bit more smoky. Well, that's got a pretty good zoom on that camera, don't it? I'm gonna buy me a 12x adaptable lens to that. That'll be badass. Anyways, honestly, it feels it's not as bad to breathe as it was a couple hours ago. I went out to get the mail and I could just walking outside to go get the mail, I could feel it in my throat when I breathed in, inhaled. Anyways, that's the latest update from, USA, Aurora, Oregon.